You're watching Vacation Minute by ExplorerVacations. Welcome to the Zócalo, the historic heart of Mexico City and one of the largest public squares in the world. Officially known as Plaza de la Constitución, this massive plaza has been the center of political, cultural, and religious life in Mexico for centuries. Long before the Spanish arrived, this was the ceremonial center of the Aztec capital of Tenochtitlan. After the Spanish conquest in 1521, the city was rebuilt around this very square, transforming it into the colonial capital of New Spain. Today, the Zócalo is surrounded by some of Mexico's most important landmarks. To one side stands the Metropolitan Cathedral, the largest cathedral in Latin America, built over nearly 250 years. Nearby is the National Palace, home to the offices of Mexico's president and famous murals by Diego Rivera depicting Mexico's rich history. At the center of the square, a towering Mexican flag waves above the plaza, a powerful symbol of national pride in the heart of the city. Just a short walk away stands the magnificent Palacio de Bellas Artes, Mexico City's premier cultural palace, completed in 1934 and celebrated for its stunning Art Nouveau and Art Deco architecture, as well as its murals by some of Mexico's most famous artists. Whether it's filled with cultural festivals, political gatherings, or simply visitors soaking in the atmosphere, the Zócalo remains the living, beating heart of Mexico City, a place where ancient history and modern life meet in one extraordinary space. Thank you for exploring with Explorer Vacations. For travel ideas about Mexico and beyond, please visit our website, ExplorerVacations.com, to see all of the exciting vacation options we have for you.